Good day everyone, I am Hannah Navia and I am here to demonstrate to you on how to utilize different electronic devices. But before we start, let me introduce to you the different materials and devices that we will be using. We have here the laptop, the DVD player, the LCD projector, and the speaker. For the connecting devices, we have here the power cable, the RCA cables, the jack, and the VGA cable. Before we start, let me remind you of the following. First, keep your hands clean and dry to avoid electric shock. And see to it that all of the cables and connectors are free from electrical defects. And lastly, do not forget to turn off all the devices used before unplugging them. We may now begin with our first setup. Let us start with the RCA connector. Connect the red and white connectors to the DVD player. And from then, connect it to the speaker for the audio. Then, connect the yellow connector to the DVD player to the LCD projector for the video. And the power cable to the LCD projector. Then plug it. After connecting all the devices, let us check if they are working properly by turning them on. Let us set the LCD projector. Wait for a few moments. And there it is. Our video is now playing. We may proceed with our next setup, but before that, let us turn off the previous devices used. Let us now proceed with our next setup. Connect the laptop to the speaker and to the LCD projector with the use of the jack. Connect the jack to the laptop, down to the speaker for the audio. And for the video, connect the VGA cable to the laptop, down to the LCD projector. After connecting all of them, let us set up the LCD projector. Let's wait for a few moments again. Then play a video from the laptop. And there you have it. I have successfully demonstrated to you all the different electronic devices. Thank you for watching.